Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll and find the display. Click on Advanced, scroll down again and find the screen timeout. As you can see here, we've got some options to choose from. You can choose either from 15 or 30 seconds and from 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got a 10 minutes set, but let me choose something, for example, like 5 minutes. And as you can see, it changes immediately. From now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. This is how you change the timeout in your Motorola Edge. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.